What is considered a commercial vehicle? We commonly think of 18-wheelers, cement trucks, things like that as commercial vehicles, but that's not a complete definition. South Carolina has adopted the definition of a commercial vehicle as being over 26,001 pounds. That's in code 5654240. To answer the question depends on the weight of the vehicle. The owner and or operator of any business vehicle and or trailer with any load which in combination weighs more than 10,001 pounds in interstate commerce or 26,001 pounds in South Carolina intrastate commerce is a commercial vehicle and must follow all the federal regulations applicable to commercial vehicles. Straight trucks, work vans, large pickup trucks with trailers, landscaping vehicles, HVAC work vehicles, plumbing trucks, utility trucks, all of these may fall within the definition. Whenever you have a company vehicle involved in an accident, we check on the weight of the vehicle, trailer, and load to determine if we have a commercial vehicle policy to go after. Like, subscribe, and call us if you're injured at 843-839-4111.